Hello students, I'm Renu Verma, your English language teacher, and in today's class we are going to enjoy, we are going to do something interesting. We are going to do revision in a very interesting way. How? Oh, okay, I'll tell you. Today's topic is parts of a speech and we'll do it in quiz form. Parts of speech revision will be done in quiz form. It's very new for you. So let me tell you what are the rules of this quiz. Actually, I'll give you few questions related to parts of a speech. Okay, I'll give you few words. You have to identify them and you have to tell me answer. I will give you few options as well as time for every question. And time for every question will be 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds, you have to comment me your answer. Okay? मैं आपको कुछ वर्ड्स दूंगी, आपको उनको पहचानना है और आपको ये बताना है कि कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच वो वर्ड है. उसके लिए मैं आपको 3 ऑप्शंस दूंगी एंड 5 सेकेंड्स का टाइम दूंगी. विदिन 5 सेकेंड्स आप अपना आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे, कमेंट करेंगे एंड फिर मैं आपको करेक्ट आंसर बताऊंगी एंड देन यू विल चेक योर आंसर. फिर आप अपना आंसर चेक करेंगे कि आपने सही लिखा है या नहीं. दिस विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Question is, identify the parts of speech of given words. Means I'll give you words, you have to identify them and you have to comment me your answer by the help of options within 5 seconds. So question number 1 is kind. You have to identify which part of a speech is kind and the options are adverb, adjective or noun. Write down your answer fast in comment section. Your time is going to be started. Yeah, fast. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Time is over. So, it's my turn to tell the answer. Just match your answer whether it is correct or not. Correct answer is adjective. Because adjective, kind is an adjective. Okay? So, let's take next. Next one is Anshima. Next word is Anshima. Identify this. Which part of a speech is this? Fast. Hurry up. Options for these questions are noun, pronoun, and verb. These are the options. Just quickly identify them and tell me your answer. Your time is going to be started now. Hurry up. Do fast. You can do it. Hurry up. Right, everybody. Yes, yes. I hope you have written your answer. So now I'm going to tell you my answer. Just match it. It's noun. I hope you have written correct answer. Next one is take. This time you have to identify take. Which part of a speech is this? Your options are adverb, verb or adjective. Okay? So your time is going to be started. Now, hurry up. Do fast. Do. Last second. Oh, it's done. So what is correct answer? Let me tell you. It's verb. Check your answer. Okay. I hope you have written correct. Next one. Next is wow. Tell me which part of a speech is this? Options are conjunction, adjective or interjection. Fast. Quickly write your answer. Time is going to be started. Yes. Hurry up. Do fast. Comment your answer. Oh no. Time is over. And what is the correct answer? It's interjection. It is an interjection. I hope you are enjoying This time you are checking your answer yourself. So let's take next one. Oh, next word is in. What is next word? In. Identify it fast. Which part of a speech is this? Options are preposition, conjunction, interjection. So, write down your answer fast. Your time is started. Oh, fast. Write fast. Oh, no, it's over. So, what is the correct answer of this question? It's preposition. What is the correct answer? It's preposition. Okay. Next one. Next one is but. Our next part of a speech is but. Identify which part of a speech is this? Is it preposition or conjunction or pronoun? Write down your answer fast. Time. I'm giving you time to write 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's done. What is the correct answer of this question? But is a conjunction. Okay. So now we are going to take next one. Next one is she. She. You have to identify which part of a speech is this. Your options are it's a noun, pronoun, or verb. Okay, what is the question? Question is you have to identify the word she. Which part of a speech is this? Okay, and your time is going to be started. Write down your answer in comment section. Oh, fast. Hurry up. Do fast. Write down. Hurry up. Hurry up. You can do it. Yes, now time is complete. I hope you all have written. So, it's time of checking. Check your answer. What is the correct answer? Correct answer of this question is pronoun. She is a pronoun. Okay? So, next one. Next is politely. This time you have to identify the word that is politely. So options. Do you want options? So I'm going to give you options. Adjective, adverb, conjunction. Oh, confusion. There should not be any confusion because the words that carry ly, they are. Oh no, I'll not tell. You'll tell. Your time is going to be started. Yes, fast. Do, hurry up. Oh, time is over. What is the answer? It's an adverb because the words that carry ly, they are adverbs. Next one is alas. You have to identify this word. Which part of a speech is this? Your options are is it a conjunction, noun, or interjection? Confusion. I think there should not be any confusion because the words that carry exclamation mark, they are called, you know na? Okay, so your time is going to be started now. Hurry up. Too fast. Okay, do. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, now time is over. So it's my turn to tell the answer. What is the correct answer? It is an interjection. Alas is an interjection. Hope everybody has written correct. I'll check your comments. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's class. You enjoyed this quiz. If you enjoyed, please do like it.